Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to set up your indicators for the moving averages scalping strategy. So you're going to open up your MetaTrader 4, and as you can see, you're looking at my screen. I'm on a 5-minute chart, and I have Bollinger Bands on here at the top. I have my RSI, and I also have my Stochastic. So these are the three indicators that I use with this strategy. I didn't really go over Stochastic in the last video, but I will show you how to add it and what to look for. So you're going to click on the F at the top, right at the top of your screen. This is for iPhone settings only. I will do Android in the next video, but this is for iPhone. So you click on the little F at the top, and you have your indicator window. What you want to do, you should have some indicators there now if you use indicators. It'll be under your main window. If not, what you want to do to add it is you would click on main window, and you can search for whatever indicator you're looking for. So if you don't have Bollinger Bands, you would just click Bollinger Bands. You could leave it on 20 period. You could change the style. So if you want to change the color, you could do it here. I usually click on 4 pixels so that it shows it more, so that it's more vibrant, not so transparent. So if you click on save, click on done, those are my Bollinger Bands, all right? Now to add the moving averages, what you wanna do is go back and click on the F again, and yours is not gonna show moving averages, okay? You're gonna click on main window, and you're gonna find moving average, all right? And you're gonna see here that these are the settings, but I'm gonna go back and show you each moving average that I have. So one more time, let me walk you back to how to get to the moving average section. You click on the little F, you click on main window, and you click on moving average. And this is where you're gonna set up the moving average, okay? So you, for example, if you click on period, you would just backspace and add the actual period, like 5, 8, 10, 20, 50, 200 moving average. Method is where you're going to select whether if it's an exponential, a simple, or a smooth, or a linear weighted, which I'm going to tell you which one to pick. So I'm going to walk you through all of this, okay? So let's go back to my moving average window, and let me show you how I have mine set up. So as you can see in my window, this is everything that I have set up. So in your main window, you're going to click on main window, click on moving average. Your first moving average is going to be a 50, all right? So if you go to moving average on your phone, under the indicator that I just showed you, the section, you're just gonna backspace and then type in 50. Your method is simple. So if you click on method, it should say simple. If it doesn't, you click on method again, and it's gonna give you the options there, all right? Backspace, and then apply to close, leave that as is. You don't need any levels. And your style, if you want to have it the same color as mine, I just choose purple for my 50 moving average, and I have it on 4 pixels. Click on save, click done, all right? And that's going to put the 50 moving average on there, all right? So that's a longer period moving average. Now the next one, you're going to click on F again, and then you're going to click on main window. You're going to click on moving average. Your second moving average is going to be a period of 8. Your method is exponential. Apply to close. No levels, all right? So if yours does have levels, just click on levels and just make sure that there's nothing there. It shouldn't be anything there, all right? And then on style, I just chose yellow, all right? And it's on 4 pixels. Okay, so I have an 8 exponential moving average. So this is the one that hugs the price a little tighter. And as you can see, the yellow 8 exponential moving average, you see how it follows price action, okay? And now we're gonna add one more moving average. Click on the F, and then you're gonna click on main window, click moving average. And my last moving average is a 200 period moving average. It is an exponential. And I have the style on blue and 4 pixels, all right? And I'll show you what that looks like. So for example, if I were to click on the 1 hour time frame for CHFJPY, this trade is currently going short, as you can see. And the 200 moving average, which is the blue line, tells me that this overall trade is in a downtrend. So anytime price action is below the 200 moving average, it's in a downtrend. Anytime price is above the blue line, then that means it's in a buy trend, okay? So that is how you set up your moving averages. And then let me go back again to my indicator window. And now under indicator window number 1, you would click on that and you would find relative strength index, which is right here under moving average of oscillator. So you would click on relative strength index. I have a period of 7 applied to close. Now these are my levels, okay? So what you do to add the levels is you click on levels. For a buy, I have 20. And actually, guys, when you, to actually name it buy, sell, and strength, you have to click on the area, and yours should say something like description. Just go ahead and type in buy. So for example, I deleted and now I'm typing in buy. You want to make sure that this number says 20. So you basically backspace, put whatever, delete what's there, make sure it says 20. Add sell underneath buy, put 80, and put strength 50. And then select your color. So you have your style. Mine's is on a hot pink. And I have it on 3 pixels. And then you just click save and that's it. Okay? So that's how you set up your RSI. Now under the same indicator window 1, so if you wanted to drop a money flow on top of the RSI, you would do it in the same window. So all you would do is click on indicator window 1 and you would find money flow. Let's see where that one is. Here it is, money flow index under accumulation distribution. So money flow is a volume indicator, so you'll see it under volumes. You would click on money flow index. I have a period of 14, no levels, and my style is like a dark purple, okay? And then, so once you add the money flow on top of the RSI, this is what it's gonna look like. Oh, actually I have my RSI like a hot pink and my money flow is a dark purple. So for example, see how price is going short right now? When you, so say if you were going to, this is not really a setup because the moving averages haven't crossed. They will. Moving averages are kind of, they also lag. Some of them lag because it's following what has already happened. So, but what you want is when your moving averages do cross, you want your money flow and your RSI going in the same direction. So anytime both of these signals are below 50 and they're headed in the same direction, that means that the strength is with the sellers. If it's above 50 and it's going like toward the 80 high up, then that means that the strength is with the buyers. So that's just more confirmation for you, okay? And as you notice, my stochastic is moving the same way. So everything is moving down, everything is going down. So if you wanted to short this, of course you want to make sure you follow, you know, the requirement for your indicators, but this would be this is what you would look for to go short, all right? So go back to your indicator window, and then to add the stochastic, you would just click on indicator window 2, and then you would find Stochastic Oscillator, click on it. And my setup, I have for the K percentage line a 5, my D percentage line is a 3, and my slow MA moving average is a 3, all right? Method is simple. Levels are 80 and 20. So you just click on levels to add them like I did before. You would just backspace and type in buy and sell. Type in 20 and 80. You can select your style, whatever color you want it to be. And that's all you need to do. So here are my my styles. I have my main signal is like a light blue. And then my signal line is red, all right? And then I'll show you again what that looks like. And there we go. And I kind of use this basically synonymous with the price action candles. So they're signal lines, and I think I did a video on stochastic, but basically my red signal line kind of follows the red candle, and my blue signal line follows the green buy candle. But basically you want your stochastic moving in the same direction with your RSI and with price action. So as you can see, this is a perfect example. Everything is headed down. It looks like the moving averages are actually about to cross on the 1 hour for CHF JPY. I'm seeing a little bit of pullback, but it's headed in the right direction. So This is how you set up your indicators. I hope that I went slow enough for you to understand this. Again, you can use this strategy on the 5-minute time frame or on the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour, I feel, is you can do it on the 1 hour or the 4 hour if you're more of a swing trader. I do like it on the 1 hour. I feel that it's more accurate. However, because I'm a scalper, it works perfect for me on the 5-minute chart as well, especially grabbing, I would say, anywhere from 10 to about 40 pips or so. All right, guys, so if you have questions, make sure that you comment on the video, and I will get a video uploaded for you for Android users. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.